Hi everyone, I just wanted to make sure the instructions today are clear, so I'm going to do this video audio version. So there are 4 parts today. The first 3 parts are all on News ELA. The first article is called What Makes the Climate Change? You're going to read this article and then you are taking the science quiz. You do not need to take the ELA quiz. You are just taking the science quiz. Then you are going to climate change feedback loops. This is a short article. Reading through that and annotating. And then the final article is where you'll get most of your evidence for today. So you're reading this article and annotating, and you're looking for evidence to answer the question, is climate change natural or caused by humans? When you are finished with those 3 articles, the last step is to use the articles to respond to the writing prompt in Google Classroom. So this is the writing prompt. Is it more likely that global warming is natural or man-made? You're going to write a claim, evidence, reasoning. So this shouldn't take super long, right? Claim is 1 sentence, remember? Evidence, we do 3 to 4 pieces of evidence for this one. And then reasoning is another 3 to 5 sentences. So it's a longish paragraph, but it shouldn't take too long. Okay, when you're done with this, make sure you click Turn In, and then you are all set